Hotel Portofino Khao Yai. Honest room tour. Breakfast, restaurants, and my honest impressions. Hi, I'm Millie, founder of Thailand.cc, where we help with visas, business consulting, and investments in Thailand. Today, I'm taking you inside Hotel Portofino at Toscana Valley, Khao Yai. The whole complex is styled like an Italian fishing village. Colorful facades, a lakeside promenade, little cafes and shops. It genuinely feels like a piece of Europe dropped into the middle of Thailand. My room was spacious and well equipped. Coffee machine, minibar, bathrobe, separate bath and shower. And the balcony? Huge, but zero furniture on it, which was honestly a missed opportunity. One thing that made me laugh, the elevator looks brand new and modern, but it takes 30 seconds to go from the second floor to the first. Just use the stairs. Breakfast is included, and it became my favorite part of the day. Buffet style, right next to the water, fish swimming below you, shade all around. I could sit there for hours, and honestly, I did. For food, I tried 2 restaurants. Ravello, Australian steak for lunch, 1,850 baht. Absolutely worth it. And E-Sarn Tapas for dinner, a huge seafood assortment for 1,200 baht. Both were great. The most magical moment? Right after sunset. The whole complex lights up. The sky turns pink. That's your golden hour for photos. Don't miss it. As a hotel guest, I could drive through the entire Toscana Valley with my room card, past the gate, through the area under construction, into nearby cafes. There's also a spa on the second floor, but at 2,000 baht per hour. I personally went 8 minutes away to Banchanngam Massage, 5 times cheaper and just as good. About 30 minutes from here is the stunning Movenpick Castle Hotel. I have a full video about it on my channel, link below. And my one real regret, I didn't upgrade to Hotel Piza Tower next door. Just 1,000 baht more. It looks incredible, and I genuinely wished I had stayed there. Next time, I promise myself.